Dow Jones and Nasdaq shown little retracement earlier in the day till towards 33,480 levels and 13,100 levels. But then again started the bearish mood. Now what to expect today with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and keep yourself updated with the latest updates. Join my free Telegram channel which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. On the hourly charts, if you look at beautiful formation, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. And if you look at the highs are well connected, the lows are well connected. Now if you look at the lows here, 12,950, 12,900 are a very good support for Nasdaq 100. Now this is just purely on the hourly charts. If you just connect this 12,950, 900 is certainly going to be a greater support on the downside, and on the upside 13,150, 200. So this zone till 12,900 to 13,200 you have to be watchful, cautious and alert. Now see what is happening here is achieved the bottom, retraced here, higher lows are seen so far, and if it breaks past again on the upside, if you see it trading above 13,100, certainly one can stay long and we can expect a good rise over there. See stochastic back to oversold zone, the MACD at bottom again, it is trading oversold at least. RSI is also looking down, trying to trade bearish. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similar is the formation, nothing different from what we saw on the hourly charts. Support there at 12,950 is going to be good strong. Stochastic looking down, MACD is still bearish. You can see this, it is still trading with divergence. RSI is also trying to look downwards, trying to trade slightly bearish. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now firstly look at the 3-hour charts. It has started with the flat top there, hence there could be little swings. Even if it tries to rise, at least wait for it to break past 13,070 levels, and then again 13,100, 120. These three zone, if it breaks past by, certainly one can stay long for 150, 200 till 13,200. As I said, we should not consider this as bullish. At the same time, look at this, higher lows, higher highs. So possibly once it breaks below 13,000 you can sell. However, 12,950 and 12,920 levels you should be watchful of. Stochastic at comfortable levels. MACD has seen a good streak of red candles. It is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI looking down and trying to trade with slight bearishness. Now look at 4-hour chart. Now one must look at the previous 3 candles. Higher highs are seen. These 2 candles, lower lows are seen. Any break below 13,000 certainly is a good sign that you can stay short for 12,950 levels, and any break below 12,950, 12,920 are the targets. And yes, you can buy here at 13,050 itself, but then 13,070, 13,100, 13,120 are the next resistance zone. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is also looking down, trying to trade bearish. Now look at the day. Now see on the daily charts, first of all, see the highs well connected, see the lows well connected. Now this is an expanding triangle. Yes, there was a reversal sign. This is an expanding triangle, and that is why I said 12,900, 13,800. This is the zone where you should remain cautious and alert. Yes, if it breaks below 12,900, in fact 12,850, 800 are also very good support for Nasdaq 100 here. Stochastic looking down, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is also you can see it's comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. So considering this, you can sell at 13,000. However, 12,970, 12,950, 12,900, 850 levels are the next support levels. Till there, you should not consider this as bearish. It can potentially reverse. And at the same time, you can buy here at 13,050, expect 13,070, 13,100, 120. These 3 are very nearby, and beyond 120, we can still expect 150 and 200 as the next resistance zone. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can be part of my mentorship batch 22. The 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now US30 on the hourly charts. See, this is also one of the channel, and that is where 33,000 is the ultimate support of this channel, and on the upside 33 700 levels. So these 700 points is something we are now going to see how it can, whether it is going to show you swings, whether it is going to bounce back, whether it is going to restrain itself within this. Now see the drop here, retracement, resistance here at 33,480, 500 zone. Now again a drop. Now I'll wait for it to break past 33,200 levels, below which only further bearishness may prevail, where you can expect 33,100 and 33,000 levels. As you can see a symmetrical formation, double or higher lows, higher highs. Hence it can reverse also, and on the upside 33,500 levels, 33,700 levels you should watch out for. Stochastic back to oversold zone. The MACD is again trying to cross over for a sell. It is still in buy. RSI at bottom trying to go oversold. And if you look at 2 hour charts, now on the 2 hour chart, see the drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. So this is the next leg. It means 33,000 levels are going to remain a good support. Just wait for it to break past 33,200 and then you can stay short for 33,100, 33,000 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD is still bearish. RSI also trying to get into oversold zone. Now look at 3 hour charts. First red candle, this is the second red candle. However, it has just started flat at the bottom, and hence look at this zone here, almost 33,300 to 450, 150 points. And if it starts from here, you can take 33, 250, 200 as a very, very good support. And then below that further bearishness is going to be seen, which is going to take it for 133,000. The stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI also at bottom. Likewise, similar observation exists on the 4 hour chart. This is the second red candle. Any rise here. Now see why 33,480, 500 is a good resistance. You can see the double top there. If it breaks past 33,350, you can buy here at for 33,400 and then 460 and 500 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI at bottom. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, remember, see, we have seen 3 red candles divergent. This is expanding here, 33,600, 700 zone. Very, very good resistance. And see, it is almost given a higher low. So yes, once it breaks past 33,200, then only I will recommend you to sell. Then also you should wait for 33,100, 33,000 is a very good support, and below that only there is going to be bearishness, which is going to take it for 32,800 and below levels. Chances are there that we can try to reverse again these, but the MACD on the daily charts is still divergent, is still bearish, it is still looking down. RSI is looking down too. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell 33,250 levels, but then 33,200, 150, 100 and then 33,000. These are the 4 levels you should watch out for. On the upside, yes, you can buy here at 33,350. However, 33,400 and then 33,500, these 2 levels, it needs to break past by 33,500 in order to confirm a reversal, and then also 33,600 is the next resistance. Take trades accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.